constructing a base like this that will ultimately have a mirror in it, an adjustable mirror that is used with the Carson MicroBrite Pro scope, and it greatly increases the contrast that you can get, and you have a lot of fine tuning over the amount of light that comes back up at the base. So these are the pieces, and this is how they are put together. This glue works the best for most projects like this. It's very fast acrylic glue. It's not going to come apart, and it's not going to, it doesn't take very long to set, so it's very quick once you put it together. So main thing is when this piece here, it really, you have to try to make sure you're square. Because if you're at an angle, it's going to mess up the next piece. Doing it one side at a time like this works best. Now I put the back base on. The pieces are snug enough they can fit without being glued, but gluing will make it more durable for a longer period of time. This last piece is the main one that takes the most time and adjustments if you didn't do it right. On this side, it's going to not translate over. But if it does, then it just snaps together. All right, then you have the base. Okay. Now, what I want to do is get an adjustment rod. So get a little tiny dowel. Goes through the holes in the side. If the holes are not big enough, I'm just using this kind of nail driver to just expand them a tiny bit. Just kind of compresses the wood fiber so it goes in. You want this to be tight so it holds the mirror in place. If it's too loose, you'll make an adjustment and the adjustment won't hold and the mirror would just move around. So it's got to be tight. That's it. Super crude way of cutting it. Obviously, it'd be nicer to cut it with a saw, sand it, have a little knob on the end. I have another one like that. Now there is a rod, and then take one of these little 1-inch mirrors. Found a couple ways you could apply the glue to the rod first, or apply the glue to the mirror first. Finding applying it to the mirror potentially works better. Sliding it underneath, gets held in place. Only takes a few seconds with this particular glue, it's very fast. That's it. And now, put the scope on here. You could really make adjustments to the light level, and it helps greatly with contrast with your microscope.